Hi guys, it's me Jeff and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to Antipolo, Rizal. We will have our breakfast at Leblanc Hotel and Resort as well as titikman na din namin yung nag-trending or let's say trending na champorado. Leblanc Hotel is located at Barangay de la Paz, Antipolo, Rizal. You can use Google Map or Waze to exactly locate the hotel. Okay guys, let's go to the resto na nasa ground floor, which is yung The Bistro. Nagpa-reserve na din ako ng table 2 days ago.
Ganyan din ako eh.
Oo, ganyan ka din naman.
Good morning po.
They also sell here coffee, keychain, and yung chocolate na ginagamit nila sa champorado. Meron din silang different kinds of pastries. Here's their menu, guys. Nag-order kami ng beef tapa for 399 pesos, bangus for 399 pesos din, and of course yung triple chocolate champurrado for 299 pesos.
From where ba sila, sir? From where ba? Layo po. Sir, baka gusto niyo po mag-try na sila mag-cook.
Itong beef tapa nila guys, meron ng kasamang garlic rice and 2 eggs. Sa egg, just choose kung scrambled or sunny side up yung gusto ninyo. Me, I choose scrambled egg. In fairness guys, ang sarap nitong beef tapa nila. Yung meat very tender and matamis-tamis yung lasa. Then, sasamaan mo pa ng kanilang signature spice vinegar. Perfect na to guys.
Nagpakita ko lang sana kay Bala ito, nakalimutan ko. Nagpakita ko rin. Bumupay tayo ng tanya. Napurado na ako.
Itong champurrado nila guys, grabe ang sarap. Hindi siya ganun katamis and quality talaga yung chocolate na ginamit dito. And no wonder, nag-trending talaga to guys. Yung danggit medyo salty but nag-complement naman dito sa champurrado nila.
Balain. Meeting tayo bukas. Kamargas na lang ako pag-protong pa ako.
And that's it for today guys. Muli, maraming salamat sa pagsama ninyo sa akin. Until my next video. Bye!